What's trending in Microsoft Tech in 2025? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. AI-powered productivity, Microsoft Copilot is being adopted across industries. AI skills are no longer optional. Wide use, Copilot is adopted across industries. Boosts work, automates tasks, saves time. New skill need, all skills are now essential. Career Edge, prepares you for the future. Rise of the Power Platform, low-code tools like Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate are unlocking new career paths. Low-code boom, Power Platform tools are rising fast. Key tools, Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate are leading the way. Easy to learn, build apps and automate without coding. Career Boost, opens new job opportunities in tech. Cloud takes center stage, Azure DevOps, security, and architect roles are dominating the hiring charts. Cloud demand, cloud skills are in high demand. Top tools, Azure DevOps is leading the way. Hot roles, security and architect roles are booming. Career Boost, cloud professionals are landing top jobs. Cybersecurity equals career gold, Microsoft Sentinel, Defender, and SC900 certifications are in huge demand. Cyber boom, security roles are exploding. Top tools, Sentinel and Defender are leading the way. Cert Power, SC900 is highly valued. Job Magnet, cyber skills are building stronger career paths. Certifications that matter, Azure Fundamentals, Power BI Associate, and SC Series certifications are resume boosters. Resume Boost, these certificates makes your resume stand out. Azure Base, start with Azure Fundamentals. Data Edge, Power BI certificates adds great value. Security Path, SC Series opens cyber roles. These are not just trends. They're job signals. To build your skills, boost your career. Learn, connect, grow, Happy Techies.